Internationally, the price of oil is quoted in US dollars per barrel. The price of oil directly affects the petrol price, and this we know. So as soon as the oil price goes up, the petrol price goes up. And then, of course, we also then find that we start paying more for our basics, like our rice, our maize, our mealies, our milk, etc. So this affects the prices of goods that we buy in our shops. You may have also noticed that the price of oil varies from day to day. So if you go into your newspaper and you scrutinize that page, you'll see how that fluctuates as well. And we know that the rand-dollar exchange rate fluctuates as well. It says in the table below, the cost of oil per barrel in US dollars as well as the rand-dollar exchange rate is quoted for 5 consecutive days. All right, so let's just pick that up. So on Monday, if we had to buy a barrel of oil, it would cost us $68.12. But the actual exchange rate on that day is 7 Rand 49 to the dollar. So if we take Thursday, for example, our oil price per barrel is going to be $67.59, but the conversion that we would use to change every dollar into a rand, vice versa, would be 7 Rand and 61 cents. So clearly the economists who are working with this actually have to work out on a daily basis what it would cost us for oil in rands on each of the given days, so that from our perspective, we would know when to buy. All right? We wouldn't just automatically have a look at this and say, well, the rand is the least on this day, so therefore we're going to actually buy on Monday. Maybe we should have a look at the barrel price and say, well, the least barrel price is on this day. But can you see it has to be some kind of a combination of the two in order to find out when is the best time for us to actually buy. Right, so let's have a look according to that table how we would work out each and every single day. So on a Monday, if we were going to go out and buy, what we would need to do is we would need to take our rand amount, which is this much, and times by the price per barrel. Now, obviously, once we've multiplied those two together, what we're going to get is a whole new amount, and that is now going to have converted the price per barrel in rands at this day's exchange rate. Filling in as we go down, obviously, exactly as your table at the top of page 111, we could work out all of these amounts, okay, taking the one column and timesing it by the other. And if we keep on going, all right, I'm not going to waste time by filling in that middle column, but we did just need to see how this came about by multiplying those two previous columns together. Now if we scrutinize this table, guys, if we have a look at the oil price per barrel in rands per day, okay, 510, 528, 525, 514, 523. Okay, so now what we're going to have to work out is which day it's going to benefit us to actually buy our oil. Now, if we recall, we saw that it was the cheapest per barrel on a Friday, and the US dollar rate was best on a Monday. But can you see that if we work out our oil prices, have a look at them, which day is actually going to be better for us to buy? Well, for me, it's going to be on the Monday. So please, guys, can you please just notice that in the book, it says that this is going to be the better day to buy on. However, that is a misprint. It's definitely going to be on the Monday because you can see that your price per barrel in rands is 510 Rand and 30 cents, whereas on the Thursday, it's 514 Rand and 57. Just a small error if you would make that note for us, please.